Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Tiffany, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this glowy glossy back to school look. If you guys want to see how I got this look, please stay tuned. So first I start off with a moisturized face. That's kind of why I look like a grease ball here, but it's alright. And then I go straight into brows. So for my brows, I use this Benefit Brow in the color 6, and I just underline my brows, and then I use the spoolie on the other end to brush down my brow hairs. After that, I do the same thing to the other brow, just repeating the same steps. The brows will look a little funky, but I'm gonna go in with this LA Girl Pro Concealer, and I'm going to use this to clean up my brows, and this is just going to help me get sharper edges. As y'all can see, I just snatched that brow. Y'all wasn't expecting that, I know. But I'm going to do the same thing on the other side, and do not worry guys, we are going to blend this concealer out with a flat brush, and that's what I'm doing right now. After that, my brows are done and I go straight into foundation. I use this F16 Makeup Revolution face stick. I just picked this up today, and y'all, I can't even begin to explain to you how much I'm in love with this foundation. Like, it's so full coverage, and honestly, I was shook. As y'all can see, I was just amazed on how full coverage this was and how dewy it made my skin look. But I just applied that around the perimeter of my face, and I just blended it out with the foundation brush. And then after that, I'm gonna go in with a concealer, and I'm using the Makeup Revolution concealer. I think it's C19, my shade, if anyone was wondering. And I'm gonna apply this concealer in the areas that I want to brighten. So that includes my under eyes, my nose, and then my forehead. After that, I'm gonna go in with the beauty blender, and I'm just gonna blend that concealer out. And then I'm gonna use this Hard Candy Bake Brighten and Set powder. I'm just gonna apply this powder in the areas that I applied the concealer. And then I'm going to use that to bake. I can't leave this powder on my face for too long because I already have dry skin, y'all, so I ain't trying to look ashy and crusty all day. So I'm just going to go ahead and wipe this powder off now. It sat there for at least 2 minutes, and that's all a girl needs. After that, I'm gonna go in with my Patrick's powder with his MAC collaboration, and I'm gonna use this powder to set the areas of my face that I didn't set with the brightening powder. After I set my face, I go in with this Black Radiance pressed powder, and I'm going to use this pressed powder to contour. So I'm just going to apply this under my cheekbones and then around the perimeter of my face to add a little warmth. After that, I'm going to use this MAC Lunar New Year blush, and I'm going to go in with this pink color. And I'm going to get a brush and apply that to the apples of my cheek. And then I'm also going to add some on my nose. I don't know why I do that, I just like it, I don't know. After that, I'm going to go in with this Garnier Skin Active spray. I use this to set my face, but I also use it to add a little moisture after I use all those powders. The girl was clearly jamming out, and this is why I'm always late to school and work. It never fails, y'all. Karma by Queen Aisha. Then I go in with that same pressed powder that I just used to contour, and I'm gonna use this in my eyeshadow as an eyeshadow, and I'm gonna apply it in my crease. And that's literally all we're gonna do to the eyes, guys. We're just gonna apply this color in the crease, and it just looks very natural. Your girl was thirsty, so you know I'm over here drinking that cran mango. Absolutely love this juice, and I was really thirsty. It's hot in San Diego. But then I go in with this Scandal Eyes by Remiel mascara, and I'm just gonna apply that to my eyelashes. My camera died, but you could stop here if you were just, you know, done and you don't want to add highlight. But I'm going to add these falsies because I'm a falsies kind of girl, and I'm gonna apply the glue and add them off camera. This is what they'll look like if you have some natural looking lashes. And then I know this is super weird, but I'm gonna use baby oil to apply my highlight, and I'm gonna use this Morphe R36 brush, and then the MAC Gold Deposit highlighter. I'm absolutely in love with this highlighter. Like, it looks, y'all don't mind the glue on my hand. Anyways, back to the baby oil. I know it's kind of weird, but it's kind of like using luminous highlighting drops. So I'm just gonna use this baby oil and apply it where I would apply my highlight. And then after I've applied it in that area, I'm gonna go in with my highlighter and my brush, and I'm gonna apply that on top of the baby oil. It's gonna look a little weird at first, and you wanna make sure you don't press that oil too hard into your skin, or it's gonna mess up your foundation. But then you're gonna use your finger to help blend that out. See, it's starting to look better already. And I'm just gonna do that C highlighting trick. I don't know, I just really love how that looks, and Rihanna came through when she taught us all how to do that. Now I'm gonna do the same steps on my nose. I really like pop-in nose highlight because my nose is super small, so it just kind of stands out. So I'm just gonna go ahead and add the baby oil and then add the highlight on top of it, and then I'm gonna do the same steps on the other side of my face as well. Y'all, this highlight was popping. But anyways, I'm going in with this Garnier Skin Active Spray again, and that's just to set my face. But I have one more step, and that's for my lips. So for my lips, I'm gonna be using this Lineage, I don't know if that's how you say it, but it's a sleeping lip mask, and I know it's for sleeping, but y'all, I swear my lips have not been chapped since I've used it, and it leaves my lips looking so glossy, and I'm absolutely in love with it. Whatever glossy lip you want, you're basically done, y'all. I was over here feeling myself, as you can see. Here's a slow-mo. But if you guys like this video, please make sure you comment down below. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please make sure before you leave to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.